Class 12 Physics, Chapter 1st, Electric Charges and Field. You have read electric field at a point on the axial line due to electric dipole, electric field at a point on the equatorial line due to electric dipole. Now you are studying dipole. Okay, so torque acting on an electric dipole placed in a uniform electric field. यहाँ पर दिखाया गया है यूनिफॉर्म इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, पैरेलल इक्विडिस्टेंट ये लाइन जो है ये दिखाया गया है यूनिफॉर्म इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड। और इस यूनिफॉर्म इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में एन इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल इज प्लेस्ड। इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल यहाँ पर चार्ज क्या है माइनस क्यू और यहाँ पर चार्ज क्या है प्लस क्यू चार्ज। सो इलेक्ट्रिक हाउ यू राइट, जैसे यहाँ से फिर consider an electric dipole having charge minus q plus q separated by distance 12 placed in a uniform electric field making an angle theta। और यहाँ से perpendicular draw करते हैं तो this angle, okay, so this distance you have read electric field E is equal to F by Q। so F is equal to क्या होगा Q E, force acting on charge. On this charge how much force is acting? F is equal to QE. So now on charge plus Q charge how much force is acting? QE. So force on plus Q charge is equal to QE. The force vector quantity, its direction, this will give magnitude. Direction is along the direction of electric field, along the direction of electric field. Now force on minus Q charge, force on minus Q charge is equal to minus QE। डायरेक्शन क्या हो जाएगा इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड। इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन ये है, फोर्स का डायरेक्शन क्या होगा? द नेट फोर्स इज एक्टिंग ऑन द इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल, नेट फोर्स, टोटल फोर्स। देन दिस QE, दिस यू आर गेटिंग, और minus this, so it will be net force is acting on the dipole 0. So in conceptual question it is asked how much force is acting on the dipole if it is placed in a uniform electric field. So net force is acting how much? 0 force is acting. So on the dipole pair of force is acting here, this side pair or this side. So this pair of force, so this tendency has to rotate the dipole. So torque is the turning effect of the force. Pair of force is acting on the dipole. This dipole has tendency to rotate in uniform electric field. So how much torque is acting? Torque acting on dipole tau. Tau is equal to either force, एक force, magnitude of force, और dipole distance, perpendicular distance between force. ये force इधर है, ये perpendicular distance. So then this tau is equal to torque is equal to force, one force magnitude we are taking, and this perpendicular distance between the both forces Bn. Now this tau is equal to force, either force, one force we can take magnitude, and dipole length. In right angle you can take, in right angle B and A, the sin theta is equal to P by H. So Bn by this H hypotenuse 2L, so Bn is equal to 2L sin theta. So tau is equal to force, either force, one force, magnitude of force, and then this distance 2L sin theta. And you have read P is equal to Q into 2L. So P is equal to Q into 2L. इसके प्लेस पे वैल्यू पुट कर सकते हैं P E sin theta. So this is the torque, expression for torque acting on an electric dipole. It is asked here also, written tau is equal to P sin theta. In vector form, this you can consider tau is equal to P cross E. So direction of tau is given Maxwell's right hand thumb rule. Right hand screw rule you can say, or right hand thumb rule. So cases you can say, special cases. First, when theta is 0 degree, this dipole is placed along the direction of the electric field. Along the direction of electric field, so sin 0 degree is equal to 0. Sin 0 degree is equal to 0. So this term will be 0 into PE, your tau will be 0, it is stable. So torque will be, dipole will be in stable position. Now second case you can see when थीटा इज इक्वल टू 30 डिग्री. अब ये डाइपोल है, ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड से थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट करके इधर रखते हैं, थोड़ा सा इंक्लाइन करके, कितना एंगल 30 डिग्री. देन साइन 30 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू हाफ. सो हियर टाउ इज इक्वल टू पीई और साइन 30 डिग्री हाफ. So half we can write. So half PE. Maximum is this PE. So it will be half of the maximum. Now next case when theta is equal to 90 degree. Sin 90 degree is equal to 1. So here the sin 90 degree is equal to 1. So tau is equal to PE. So this will be maximum torque. The maximum torque, in which case it will act on the this torque. The maximum it will be tau PE. Tau is equal to PE. Now this fourth case you can take when theta is equal to 180 डिग्री. यानी ये डाइपोल जो है, ये हमारा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है, किस तरह रखना है, इस साइड से, यानी ये पॉजिटिव इधर आ जाएगा, निगेटिव इधर आ जाएगा, यानी 180 डिग्री. सो डाइपोल इज प्लेस इन एंटी पैरेलल ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. So theta is equal to 180 degree we are taking, assign 180 degree is equal to 0. So this is formula, tau is equal to P sin theta. In this formula we are putting theta is equal to 0 degree, 30 degree, 90 degree, and now last case 180 degree. This is special cases, you will study carefully. Generally it is asked conceptual question also. So tau is equal to P sin 180 degree, assign 180 degree 0. So tau is equal to 0. So this will be dipole will be in unstable position. Now with the help of this formula, dipole moment P, dipole moment you have defined, if you remember, dipole moment P is equal to Q into 2L. Dipole moment may be defined as the product of either charge and dipole length. इस formula से dipole moment define कर. Now you can define dipole moment with the help of this formula. इस फॉर्मूला में क्या है, थीटा के प्लेस पे क्या लिया, 90 डिग्री, मीन्स डाइपोल के आप प्लेस्ड है परपेंडिकुलर टू द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. और ई जो हमारे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है, इसको हमने यूनिट कंसीडर किया, यूनिट. तो अब क्या हो जाएगा, साइन 90 डिग्री 1, ई के प्लेस पे 1, तो पी इज इक्वल टू क्या होगा, टाउ. तो देन हाउ यू डिफाइन डाइपोल मोमेंट. डाइपोल मोमेंट ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल इज इक्वल टू टॉर्क acting on an dipole placed perpendicular to the unit electric field. In this way we can define, and then this you will study torque acting on an electric dipole, and some conceptual question is asked. So watch the video, like and subscribe. Thank you.